So this is our next question, question number 15. Two lamps, one rated 100 watt and 220 volt and other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? Okay. So in the first case, first lamp P is given as 100 watt and potential difference as 220 volt. So current would be P upon V because of the same relation. P is equal to V into I. This we already know, है ना? So I would be P upon V. It would be 100 upon 220. That is the current in first case would be 0.455 ampere. For the second lamp, power is 60 watt and potential difference is 220. So current would be calculated as 0.273 ampere by using the same formula. So total current from the supply would be I is equal to I1 plus I2. So it will be 0.455 plus 0.273. So this will be the total amount of current that will be drawn from the battery if these two bulbs are connected in parallel. Because in parallel what would be there is, let's say, let's try to understand this concept with the help of a diagram. This is the bulb number 1 and this is the bulb number 2. So this is bulb number 1 and this is bulb number 2. So in this way these two bulbs will be connected and such that the amount of current flowing from these two bulbs will be different. So हमने पहले इसका current निकाल लिया I1, then we calculated the current from this I2 and then we will simply add to find the total current. Okay. So this is your question number 16th. A 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or 220 watt toaster in 10 minutes. Which one will be using more energy? So electrical energy consumed in appliances is given by power into time. So power is equal to 250 watt and time is 1 hour and 1 hour means 3600 seconds. So energy consumed will be power into time. It means 250 into 3600 means these many joules. And for the toaster, the power is given by the power has been given to us as 1200 watt and time is 10 minutes and 10 minutes means 600 seconds, of course. So energy consumed like H would be 1200 into 600, so it will be 72 into 10 raised to 4. So this will be your second case. It means the TV uses more energy as compared to the toaster. Okay, this is the next question. Question number 17. An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the service mains 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which the heat is developed in the heater. Okay. So heat developed in the heater is given by IH is equal to I square into R into T. I is 15 ampere, resistance is 8 ohm and time is 2 hours. So from here we will simply calculate heat as I square RT divided by T. So it will be I square into R. Rate means power. इस चीज को आपने ध्यान में रखना है. It will be heat upon time and basically rate means power. So power we have to calculate by using this formula I square into R, where current I is 15 ampere, 15 square into resistance would be 8 ohm. So this will be your 1800 joule per second. Heat का unit होएगा joule और time का unit होएगा second. SI unit of course. So this will be your final answer. 1800 joule per second. These are some conceptual questions. I won't be discussing all of them in detail, but these are the answers. You can note it down. If you would be having any problem in any of these questions, you can ask or you can comment at the video section in the comment section. So I'll simply sift through these questions so that you have the time to note it down. These are the direct answers that have been given to us, or these are the concepts that we have already discussed in detail many times. So you will be simply able to write these answers. Still, if you will be having any problem, you can ask. These are the first 3 parts. This is the first part, this is the B part, and this is the third part. And as far as your fourth and fifth part is concerned, these are the answers for your fourth and fifth part. So our chapter is complete now. तो तुम लोग इसको अच्छे से देख लेना all these videos. If you would be having any doubt in any of them, you can ask. Thank you.